Yep, we're back. Hello, everybody. Another commute. Same old, same old. Trying to make it interesting. Like a madman talking to myself. Had a lovely winter's day in Southern California. 70-something odd degrees. That's 20-something for those of you in the rest of the world. And yes, today is January, 24? 25? January something. So, this is basically why we live here. Because, let's be real, I mean, Los Angeles only has so much to offer. You know, it's a fine little city, but it's not really always a great place to live. But, you know, your LA experience varies tremendously depending on your circumstances. You know, LA is a very divided city. Oh, come on, lady. Jesus fucking Christ. Some people, everything is just so difficult. Jesus. Anyway, can't bitch about the traffic all the time. Even though it is tempting, considering no one here knows how to drive a car. Yeah, dogs hate motorcycles. It's very strange. But they do. I don't know why. Well, that particular dog seems to hate everything. It's a real Beverly Hills dog, isn't it? Yeah. So what are we going to talk about on today's commute? What nonsense am I going to ramble to myself about? For all 3 of my subscribers. Let's see. Lane splitting. It is fun and it is good. Just be careful of idiots. And buses and trucks. Da, 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 da. And vans and people generally not paying attention. And this kind of nonsense. Beautiful day we got today. See almost as far as the eye can see. I'm pretty sure the SENA can't pick that up. But just gonna have to take my word for it. See those San Bernardino mountains on the horizon. Looking good. Alright, back to some more lane splitting. Oh, we got tourists taking a tour of LA. How exciting. I've actually been on one of those once. It was actually really good. I couldn't complain. But a lot of it is down to who you have as a guide. And needless to say, the one I was on had a phenomenal guide. I was joking, making stuff up, just being a good guide, you know. Some people just have that gift. That's a thing. It's entertainment, I guess. Yeah, I really didn't have anything to talk about on this one. So this will be my most viewed video so far. People tend to like nothing. That's just how it is. Whee! Yes. Oh, yeah. Forgot to mention my friend, Red. Promised him I would, I think. So, now I have. He has commented on my videos. And he's a very special person. So, yep. That's all there is to it. It's a good thing my speedometer is incorrect. Otherwise, people might think that I would be speeding, but I am not. Oh, all these weird bumps. Well, folks, that is pretty much all I have for you today. My first video talking about nothing. Like, truly nothing. So, bid you adieu. MotoThom, MotoCommute. Ta-ta.